Tips to get started flipping mobile homes. Number 1, get clear on all of the mobile home parks within an hour to hour and a half radius. Write them down, know what these parks are. Number 2, get in contact with the managers for these parks and make sure that you are allowed to flip, buy, and sell mobile homes inside of their parks. Number 3, meet the managers. Build a rapport with the managers because they are the gatekeepers when it comes to you buying homes inside of their community. And they know what homes are going to be up for sale, different things of that sort. Even though they're not park owned, they still have an idea of what these homes are, who's going to be evicted, everything. Number 4, put up bandit signs. We're searching for off-market deals from motivated sellers. Bandit signs, business cards, going around handing out business cards, sending out flyers and postcards to the people inside the community are all things that are going to allow you to get the off-market deals. Again, looking on Zillow, Mobile Home Village, different places of that sort, you're going to see all these high-priced mobile homes. They're going to be $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $80,000, $100,000 plus. We want to be getting them for under $10,000, $5,000, $3,000, $1,500. And the only way to do that is you find off-market motivated sellers.